Hi everyone, Dominique here, your artist rep for Face Painting Forum Shop. Today we're going to do a winter butterfly design. We're going to start with a petal sponge, doubly loaded with crinoline metallic white and superstar metallic blue on the end. We're going to go just above the brow to create that upper wing and just under the lower eyelid to create the lower wing. What we do to one side, we're going to do to the other. As I do this, pay attention to the dimensions of how I apply these wings. Imagine an X across the face, with the middle of the X being right there in the bridge of the nose. You want to make sure you kind of stay within those guidelines of how to apply your wings so that they're not too big or too small. You'll see me here adjusting the shape to make sure that I'm staying within that X. There we go. We're then going to take a 5/8 angle brush loaded with Global Calgary one stroke. We're going to create with a top angle a guideline for the shape of the upper wing, and I go all the way down to the corner of the inner eye and wiggle down. We're going to create 3 sections for the upper wing and 4 sections for the lower, bringing that angle just into the area of where the pupil is on the eye. Again, creating a guideline and just wiggling up, wiggling down, wiggling up, and a swoop up and another swoop up for those 4 sections for the lower wing. And again to the other side. If you have trouble with symmetry, creating these guidelines help to make sure that you're staying within control of those shapes that you want for these wings. Wiggle down and up, wiggle down, wiggle up, swoop up, and swoop up again. We're then going to take a 1-inch flat brush loaded with the same one stroke to create a rainbow between the wings. Later we're going to place some snowflakes and glitter. And then we're just going to add a few other sections into the wing to make it look a little more realistic on the top and the bottom, and a little tail for flare on the bottom of the wings. There we go. So this is the Badass Mini Stencil number 1038. It's got a series of snowflakes that I'm just going to apply throughout this little rainbow area here, and some starbursts here and there. Stencils are fast, and sometimes they make face painting so easy and effortless. There we go. Next, we're going to add silver iridescent glitter. I'm just going to apply a little with my finger. And a series of dots to really give it that winter look. Big to small, throughout the whole design. I like to use a number 1 to create these dots. It gives me the right consistency on the tip of the brush to get heavier and smaller dots with just the right amount of pressure. We're now going to create a look to make it look like icicles between each wing. So pressing lightly and wiggling the brush with like thin to thick lines and down gives the appearance of icicles. And then a few dots alongside of each line gives the appearance of snow. There we go. Thanks for watching.